Hey everyone. So installing a driver for your new MSI monitor is actually pretty simple. It did take a while to figure out though. So my monitor in particular, I have the MAG272CR, and for you, you may have a different one, but you're going to go to MSI's page and you're going to go over to service, click on monitor, downloads, find your monitor here. I have a MAG series. I have the 272CR. Search. All right, so you go into driver, select your operating system. It's under other drivers for some reason. Simple. All right, go ahead and download that. Me saves it as a WinRAR file. Cool. And then from here, you're gonna go out. You're actually gonna open Device Manager. So mine is already installed, but you're gonna go under. You're gonna open up monitors here. And see, I already have my driver installed. So it says MSI optics, it says your monitor. But you will see it'll say generic PNP monitor because I have a second monitor on the side here. That's why it still says that. And in order to upload your driver, you're going to right click, update driver. You're going to go browse my computer for driver software. And then it might actually recognize exactly where it's at. But if not, just find out where that driver saved to, hit next, go from there. And that is it. Pretty simple. Hope this helped you guys out. I know it took me a while, but hopefully I can save you guys some time.